Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Brave browser across devices. All right. Let's say you have a Windows computer right here or your Mac computer. And also, on the other hand, you have your mobile device. Okay. So to sync all of your devices, go ahead over to settings right here at the top right. Click on the three horizontal lines. Click on settings. Now in the left panel, you have the sync section. So just click on it. Now go ahead and click on manage your sync devices. And if you don't have any devices here, just click on add new device, follow simple prompts. And once done, it will give you phrases or sync code, okay? Or even a QR code. Make sure to select either sync everything or customize sync. If you customize it, you can enable history, bookmarks, everything. If you want to disable passwords with your sync, well, go ahead and do so if you want to, okay? For me, I'm just going to leave it to sync everything. And once done, you have the view sync code option right here. Just click on it. Now you can go ahead and click on view QR code. Now it says here on your mobile device, navigate to Brave Sync in the settings panel and click on the button scan sync code. So go ahead and face your camera right here. And once done, everything will be synced. All right. If you don't want to use QR code, you can go ahead and click on view sync code right here. And in this section, just copy everything, paste it to the other device, and you're good to go as well. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.